Imagine having an assistant that doesn't just answer your questions, but understands your goal, makes a plan, chooses the right tools, and gets the job done. That assistant is called an AI agent. Let's say you ask an AI agent to plan a trip to Japan. Before it books a flight or finds a hotel, it first needs to understand exactly what you want. Every AI agent starts with one simple thing: a goal. Once the AI understands your goal, it doesn't try to solve everything at once. Instead, it breaks one big task into smaller, manageable steps, just like you would before planning a big project. Now that the work has been broken into smaller tasks, the AI decides the best order to complete them, just like you wouldn't book a hotel before deciding where you're flying. Once the plan is ready, the AI chooses the right tools for each task, just like you might open Google Maps for directions, a booking website for flights, or a translator when traveling abroad. Now the AI begins using the selected tools. Instead of guessing the answer, it gathers real information step by step, just like you would when planning a trip yourself. Collecting information is only half the job. The AI now compares the available options, weighs the pros and cons, and selects the one that best matches your goal. Once the best option has been chosen, the AI gets to work. It completes each task in the right order, bringing your plan together automatically, just like a personal assistant working behind the scenes. After completing every step, the AI brings everything together into one finished result. Instead of handing you scattered pieces of information, it delivers a complete solution that's ready to use. An AI agent doesn't replace you. It works with you. It can recommend, organize, and automate many tasks, but you're always the one who decides what happens next. Whether it's planning a trip, writing code, helping doctors, running businesses, or making discoveries, every AI agent follows the same simple workflow. And now, you know how AI agents actually work.